नमस्कार, मैं हूँ सोनाली नाइक और आप देख रहे हैं टीवी 9 भारतवर्ष। और आज हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं सामर्थ्य, जिनका स्प्लिट्सविला का सफर खत्म हो चुका है। सामर्थ्य, टीवी 9 में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच सोनाली, थैंक यू।
ये पूरा सफर कैसा रहा, वो तो पहले बताइए।
इट्स गुड, आई वुड से इट्स अच्छा रहा, मतलब मजे वाला रहा। और एक तो मेरे लिए इट्स लाइक सपने जैसा था। और क्योंकि आप एक स्प्लिट्सविला जा रहे हो जिसको आपने हमेशा टीवी पे देखा है, रन सर को टीवी पे देखा है, सनी मैम को टीवी पे देखा है, तो चैलेंजेस परफॉर्म करते आपने टीवी में देखा है। और आपको नहीं पता कैसी चीजें हो रही हैं, लाइक बैक एंड में कैसी चीजें होती हैं आप में, जो लाइक देयर इज अ मैसिव टीम आउट देयर वर्किंग फॉर यू। तो वो पूरा एक करिकुलम, पूरा एक स्ट्रक्चर को एक उसका पार्ट होना, एक उस प्रोसेस का एक हिस्सा होना, इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग फॉर मी। इट्स अ लर्निंग फॉर मी बिकॉज आई लव बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा। और उसके साथ साथ you're meeting Run sir also, you're meeting Sunny ma'am also, you're meeting all the contestants which everyone has their own individuality, everyone is amazing in some way. So सब पूरे एक curriculum का हिस्सा बना, it's like amazing for me. I just loved it. So for me it's a very beautiful journey and it's a lifetime experience kind of thing.
राइट। वैसे देखा जाए तो शो में आपके ग्रुप की मेजॉरिटी थी, तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि आप मेजॉरिटी होकर भी, जीत हासिल करते हुए भी इस तरह से आउट हो जाएंगे?
वुड से नहीं, ऐसा सोचा तो नहीं था, बट कहीं ना कहीं चीजें हमारे फेवर में नहीं हो रही थी, क्योंकि लेट्स डू इट जो हमारा ग्रुप था, जो ऐसा एक कहा गया ग्रुप था, दो आई डोंट लव टू बी इन ग्रुप, आई लव टू प्ले इंडिविजुअली, आई लव टू प्ले माई ओन गेम। मुझे ग्रुप्स में खेलना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता। तो बट कहीं ना कहीं इवन इफ वी आर विनिंग, we are being in the dumping zone, so somewhere things are not happening in favor of us. So it's a game, right? So it's okay, you can't do anything. तो बट कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा बुरा भी लग रहा था कि यार हम जीत रहे हैं तो भी हमें कोई एक पार नहीं मिल रही है, हम सेव नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को सेव नहीं कर रहे हैं। लास्ट टाइम जब गैरी भी डंप हुआ तब भी हमें ऐसा रियलाइज हुआ। So which we felt bad, but since we can't do anything, so we felt helpless at that time. So it's okay, but जब मुझे एलिमिनेट में हो रहा था, मुझे मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये पता था कि I'm gonna get eliminated because Jay has already spoken to me before the dome session. He already shared this thing that if I'll get a part to dump someone, I'll be, और अगर आप तीन हो जैसे मैं, ट्रिवॉन एंड आरुषि, तो he'll be dumping me because ट्रिवॉन एंड आरुषि को उसने ऑलरेडी कमिटमेंट दे दिया हुआ था, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी पहले उनको पिच कर चुके थे कि सेव अस इफ यू गेट द पार। तो उसने मुझे क्लियरली बोल दिया था कि he'll be dumping me. I shared this thing with ध्रुव एंड सपना also. ध्रुव और सपना ने मुझे बोल दिया था कि डोंट वरी, we'll be taking your name, अगर हमें ऐसा कुछ सर्कमस्टांस या सिचुएशन आएगा जहाँ पे हमें कोई पार मिलती है, we'll be saving you. बट उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया, I don't know why they did that, क्यों किया, क्या था, I just don't know, but it's a game. तो someone has to get evicted, someone has to get eliminated. तो it's okay.
राइट, क्योंकि फैंस का रिएक्शन भी वही है। ध्रुव और सपना जहाँ पे जीत चुके थे, उनको लगा कि आप सेव हो जाएंगे।
True.
और फिर भी वो जो है तो उनको भी काफी झटका लगा। सोशल मीडिया पर किस तरह के रिएक्शन
I'm getting
आपको
a lot
मिल
of
रहे हैं?
sweet comments. I'm really getting perplexed, surprised, the kind of love I'm getting. It's such an amazing feeling to see, like, so much people are loving you. They are sending you such good comments. Even I'm getting a lot of mails also. Not only comments, people are sending me mails. So they are sending me, we want to gift you this. Can you share your address with us? So it's such a beautiful feeling. I just can't express that in words. So I would say that's something which keeps me going, which keeps me motivated. Because right now I'm in a situation where I'm asking myself, what's next? Splitsvilla is done. What's next for me? So I'm always focusing on the next project. It's kind of a positive pressure which keeps me going. So I'm always focusing on the next, and somewhere all those people, I would say, I don't say fans, I say family, which keeps me motivated. They are my strength. They always they help me in deciding what I choose next. With my previous project compared to my previous project, like if I have influenced them this much, with my next project I should be able to influence them this much, so that bar should always increase. So that's my intention, always to choose the next project. So I'm getting a lot of opportunities, but I'm just being patient, and I'm just being mindful about what I choose.
राइट। सामंत्या, थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं। जब आपने स्प्लिट्सविला की शुरुआत की थी, आपने आई गेस थिएटर किया है।
Yeah,
तो
I
हाउ
did
वाज द जर्नी फ्रॉम थिएटर टू दिस स्प्लिट्सविला? क्यों लगा कि आपको ये शो करना चाहिए?
Okay, I would say Splitsvilla एक ऐसी चीज जो it happened to me all of a sudden. I never thought of Splitsvilla is gonna happen to me. So ये चीज मैं बड़ी ही एक all of a sudden हुई मेरी लाइफ में. I never thought I'm gonna be part of reality show because I did stage acting. मैं तब engineering कर रहा था जब मैंने stage acting भी की साथ साथ में. I was doing stage acting, theater as well as engineering also. It was going hand in hand. तो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं Splitsvilla करूँगा. तो Splitsvilla, that opportunity came out of nowhere. I was in my final year. I completed my engineering, I remember, in 2019. 2020 mein, I prepared for the auditions. So 2020 ke ending mein, I got shortlisted for Splitsvilla X3. And wahan se then the opportunity came. So I believe if you're really involved in the process, if you're really determined in the process, life will automatically choose a way for you. So you need to be mindful कि मैं अगर ये रास्ता choose करूँगा तो मेरे लिए वो सही है कि नहीं. That's what you have to do. So just believe in life. Believe in your hard work, and the results will happen the way you want. This is what this philosophy I move ahead with.
Right. Splitsvilla में हमेशा आपके ग्रुप को बोला गया था कि केविन जो बोलता है वही आप लोग करते हो. So what would you like to say about that?
I won't say because Kevin has already done roadies, so he's already in that limelight. तो तभी लोगों को वैसा लगा. और somewhere I would say I never played in groups because I'm a person who loves to maintain its individuality, who loves to play individually. That's why I maintained good equation with everyone. I never fought with anyone. I am that kind of person. And initially I felt कि जब मैंने अपने आप को TV पे देखा मुझे लगा कि मुझे और लड़ना चाहिए. Then I slowly and steadily, after some time, when people appreciated me, when people said you're the most sweetest and the cutest guy in the show, most calm, most practical, don't indulge in fights unnecessarily, respects everyone. So I felt like I'm a gateway to all those personalities who wants to come into the reality show, who share the same personality, who are calm and composed. So at that time, I felt proud about myself. कि I am a kind of person who is inspiring those people. Like जो हमेशा जो लड़ाकू नहीं है, जो लड़ते नहीं है.
Right.
People who are like me can also go to the reality show. So it's in that way. So I really feel proud in that way. So Kevin जो बोलता है, this is, I think it's how you perceive it. So
Right.
it depends on how you take it as. So it never happened in that way because everyone at the end of the day is there for themselves. Because
Right.
you are performing as a connection, you're not performing in what you say, in the jurisdiction of someone else. You perform for yourself and for your connection. So it's in that way.
Right. निकिता के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
Nikita and I are good friends after the show, I would say. We are not dating, but we are good friends. Because right now I'm just dating my work. Because for me, Splitsvilla is one of the reasons to enter into the film industry. So I'm just investing my energies onto my work, my career, and my next project. So yeah.
रणविजय और सनी के सामने परफॉर्म करना, काम करना, वो बॉन्डिंग कैसी रही?
I think they're very encouraging because जिस तरीके से वो आपको challenges explain करते हैं, it's beautiful the way they explain and the way Sunny ma'am का जो accent है, जिस तरीके से वो बोलते हैं, it's very humorous. It's I would say वो काफी अच्छा लगता है. It's very cute at the same time. She looks very cute when she says something in Hindi. So it really motivates us and it's beautiful. So उनके सामने और जब आप challenges perform भी कर रहे हो, उनके बीच में भी ना, उसके दौरान में भी जब आप challenge perform करते हो, the way they motivate you, the way they communicate with you, it's amazing. Like they still ऐसा लगता है कि someone from your family is out there who's supporting you. So it's like that kind of feeling. Yeah.
Right. Samantha, एक reality show आप कर चुके हो. What next? आप क्या future में करना चाहते हो acting में?
As I just now said, I want to try for film acting. I want to become film actor. So yes, अभी पूरे जोश के साथ I'm going into this film acting वाला zone. So I'm just keeping my focus straight on film acting or projects. So I'm coming with OTT also. So इसकी shooting next month start होगी. So yeah.
Okay. So are you interested in any other reality show now?
For now, I would say, as such, I am much more focused in film acting, not as in reality show. So I just believe in the process of life. So I'm not like this person कि मैं उसके लिए I'm gonna do this reality show after this कि roadies या वो. It's okay if I'm gonna get the opportunity, but right now I'm focusing on the acting projects because that's what my niche is, that's what my quality is. So I'm right now focusing on that. If it happens, it's good. If it's not,
Right.
it's okay. Yeah.
On that note, इस सफर में जो फैंस आपके साथ जुड़े, जो आपकी फैमिली बन गए, उन्हें क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Okay. I would say just follow your heart and just believe in the process of life. Just believe in the timing of life, and the results will happen the way you want. Just don't be in haste. Just don't rush in life, and things will definitely happen the way you want. Just be patient. Just believe in the timing of life and listen to your heart. Listen to your family, and there are at times your family doesn't support you, so just explain your parents ki I want to do this thing. Just try to explain them, because your parents understand you the best in this life. So sit with them, share with them the bigger picture, why I want to do this, why I want to go in this field, what I'm going to do after 2 years. So they'll definitely understand you, and just go for it, I would say. And just because hard work has no substitute, and keep on doing hard work, and the results will definitely happen the way you want. Yeah.
Thank you for that wonderful message. Thank you so much हमसे बात करने के लिए सामर्थ्य, and all the best for your future
Pleasure.
journey.
Thank you so much, Sonali. Thank you for being so sweet. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
हमने की गलती फिर एक बार, कोरोना ने किया दोबारा प्रहार। मास्क, 2 गज दूरी, करें अपनी सुरक्षा पूरी। कोरोना टीका हम सबको लगाना है, मिलकर साथ समझदारी से कोरोना को हराना है।